In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset any iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you can do this on literally any iPhone, but let's say you want to reset the entire thing so it's basically as good as new, or you want to reset specific settings. I'll show you how to do both of them. So what we're going to firstly do is go over to your settings application. From here, scroll down and you're going to find general right under VPN. So go ahead and click on that. Then you want to scroll down again, and the second last option that you're going to see is transfer or reset iPhone. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, if you want to erase and reset absolutely everything, all you got to do is press erase all content and settings. It's going to show what's going to be erased and then just press continue. However, if you only want to reset something specific, like let's say your internet's not working properly or anything like that, press reset, and then you can either reset all settings, reset network settings, or anything like that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So you can choose whichever one you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.